Hi, y'all. Dave Kennedy here. I'm with Lisa Darcy. She is the owner of Leather Legs. And Leather Legs, the way I describe them is they're chaps, but they go from your ankle to your knee, so they're a lot easier to put on and take off. I hate the full chaps. I hate putting them on, taking them off, storing them. These are great. I've been wearing these for years, and I had a pair of Lisa's leather legs, and I left them in a hotel like an idiot
Happens.
last year, and so I came to see her to see if I get another pair, and she had been in an accident. She was on the back of a bike. The car hit them, and so she wasn't making them at the time. But luckily, she had surgery. She's recovered. She's been doing great. It's wonderful. So she's back in business, and I'm gonna get another pair made. I like the brown, kind of simple design, but she's got all kinds of designs that guys and gals would like.
Mm-hmm.
So,
And we do a lot of custom work for. I've got people that want to match their bikes exactly, and when they change their bikes, they call me and say, "We need a new pair that matches the new bikes." And so we can do any. I've got all different colored leather, and we can do almost anything you like. We can mix
great.
and match. And on the website, I was going to show you. We have the plain black as well. And these are our probably most common. Making a mess here, but this is just the plain black, and then you can add conchos and spots. Like I said, we can get as crazy or as plain as you want. But this is probably our best seller is the mix of the brown and black, because it goes with black or brown boots, and a lot of people wear different color boots, and so.
And for the gals that like a lot of bling, you have some of those
Oh yeah,
found also.
we can. I started doing some with the flames because I love the flames. So, but there again, we can just do the fringe. We can just do flames. We can do plain. This is a soft leather that's real pliable, or we can do the real stiff. Either way, whatever you like. This is some real blingy ones we got. We did for some barrel racers. My granddaughter actually. These are hers.
I was going to say, they seem a little short.
Yeah, these are short, and that's another thing. I have lots and lots of women that are, 5 foot or under that I'll crop them down and make them fit, custom fit for them. So we can really just accommodate anybody, any size. They start at extra small, and I go up to a triple XL, and then we even have my big press. The clicker only will go a triple XL. So we had to resort to making extenders, which are nice because we found for different weather, if you bulk up on your layers, your regular size won't fit. So I've got a 1-inch extender or a 2-inch extender. I haven't had to go to a 3-inch yet, but as people grow, and people are getting bigger, and so I can accommodate you. But it's also nice. We also have the armbands, which are really nice. And I can do any color leather there again to match your bike or your chaps. And then we just have the plain ones too. So these are kind of a rustic, worn in leather that a lot of people like. Or have the brown, or just the plain black, plain brown. We can do whatever you like, and they're all on the website as well. And then the only pair of boot bling I could find are these crazy pairs somebody wanted us to make, which has the flame on it with all the bright. And these go around your boot. So, and then we put a concho, whatever concho you like, and they're all on the website too. And a lot of people will have me match these to their chaps. Or if you just want plain chaps and something to just bling them up a little bit, sometimes, those are popular.
And when you say concho, because I didn't know what that meant.
Yeah, these are the conchos. And I have tons of choices. Some for military, some for just your hobby. There's a lot of Western ones, Texas ones, and you can pick and choose. And we put them up here. We put them on there. Anywhere you want them, we can put them. At the rallies, I'll put them on people's jackets, hats.
Oh, really?
Wherever. They're like, can you put one here? Sure. We punch a hole.
Now
put
these,
'em in there.
obviously this is a gal's kind of country, which he's got some very cool ones that the guys would like.
Here's another one that's a lizard.
Yeah, it's a horny toad. It's
Yeah.
pretty cool.
And they're Chicago screws, so you can actually change them out. I've got a lot of people that'll have 4 or 5 different ones, and they'll change them out for depending on what, where they're going or what they're doing. So it's fun.
Great.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, Lisa will be at the Tour Flag pickup on March the 1st in Bandera.
Yes.
So if you're coming, you can meet her. You can see the products firsthand right there.
Yes. And we'll be offering free shipping if they want to order a pair or want to pick out a custom pair. I'm going to try to have a lot of choices in different sizes for everyone. But if there's something specific you want and I don't have it, you can always order it, and I don't charge shipping if you see me somewhere and I don't have your size. I won't charge you shipping.
That's great because shipping has gotten expensive, so that's a good savings.
My phone number is on the website. If you are in our area, we're in Kerrville, Texas, which is in the Texas Hill Country. Very popular riding area. So you're more than welcome to come to the shop and let me size you and pick out your own leathers. And when we go around the other side, I'll show you. I've got pretty much every color you can imagine. But you're more than welcome to come in person and just call me ahead of time and set it up. Because the shop is at our home, and so sometimes I'm out and about, and so I wouldn't want you to have to sit and wait. So call me first, and you're welcome to come. So the blue spots are all the shows that we've been to, participated in as a vendor, and all the little pink dots are all the places that we have shipped to since my husband and I have owned the company. Now Leather Legs has been in business since 1988. I started out as a salesperson, going to rallies and events and just selling them the product. And then the couple that owned it before us wanted to retire and approached us. And so my husband and I decided to buy it and really get involved more. And so she trained me how to make the chaps, and so we've owned it now since 2019, and really, really enjoy it. The customers are awesome. A lot of people think, oh, bikers, and a lot of my friends that don't ride, and I'm like, they're the best group of people ever. I know there's bad people everywhere, but at all the shows we've been to, I've never had anything stolen from our booth. I've never had any bad encounters. It's just a great group of people. So I have 3 commercial machines here, the oldest to the newest. Those girls are older, but they get the job done. They can go through some thick 3-ounce leather. Those 2. This one is my favorite because it's the long arm, and so I can get lots of stuff underneath it, so it's easier to use. But all 3 of them are in use, and over here, this is where we put the spots on. The snaps, I'm sorry. So we have all the different color snaps. We've got the chrome, we have black, brass, and the non-shiny stainless. So you can pick your choice of those 2 as well. Over here's the spotter, and we have all these spots, which on the website, you can choose your spots. I don't know if you can see with that light behind you. So here, these are just some of them, but on the website, all of them are on there. And so you can get as plain and basic, or you can get fancy and shiny. Mm-hmm. And they're all Swarovski crystals.
Okay, well, just show them the conchos.
Yep, and then these are the conchos. These are, like I said, these can go anywhere you like on the chaps. I'll put them or you can just buy them and put them where you want on your jackets or hats. And these are high quality. I get them from a guy out of Lubbock that makes them, and he uses, they're all sterling overlay. So they don't turn green, and, you know, they're all a really good quality. And they all have a Chicago screw, so you can change them out, like I said, to whichever, you know, you can change them out if you don't want to be stuck with one certain design. I'll have people that'll get 2 or 3. But these are just some. And at the rallies, I have a lot more that are, like, here's, you know, that some of these aren't on the website that I can pick up. I'll go in and he'll have some specialty ones that I'll grab and sell. Some of these are for the Western. But anyway, they're fun, and they kind of customize your chaps. These are all my dies. Sorry, these are some of the the get backs that my son makes these for the rallies. And anyway, these are all my dies, and this is the big clicker. It's a 25-ton. It's gets the job done. It's intense. I was a little intimidated at first, but you know, when I went out to New Mexico to the shop where I was training and stuff, I was so scared to use this. But it's really got a good safety feature. So these are what we consider the dies, and these are the mustache that go up on top. So you kind of put that on your leather, and it's got a safety feature where you have to use both hands, because if your hand was down here, this thing would flat take it, crush it to nothing. So you have to use both your hands to operate it, and I'll show you that in a second. It's just kind of loud, so I was telling you that first. Okay. And you put your leather down, and you put your die, and it can go up and down, because some of my dies are thicker than others. And it punches out your pattern in your leather.
Ah, okay. Cool.
Makes it easy, and it makes it a nice, consistent, straight seam. You know. So if you're trying to do it with scissors, you'll never get that edge nice and clean.
So you cut the whole thing with that machine?
Yeah, we have the patterns and all the
Oh yeah,
sizes.
that's what those are then. Okay,
Right.
Gotcha.
And we've got like fun stuff. We've got the flames, and I've got a bunch of Texas, different sizes in Texas for different things.
Oh, cool.
And these are for wallets and stuff. Some of my son makes some of those, and those are the lever covers that make the. So we make all kind of stuff.
Very cool.
I've got different thicknesses. Some of the Border Patrol, they want snake proof, so your leather has to be a certain thickness before it can be considered snake proof. So I do have some stuff that I make for them that's really, you can see how thick that is. But I have all different colors. Some of it's over here with orange and purple. I've got different shades of purple, and some has patterns, some smooth. So you can really just pick and choose however you want it to look. I've got really rustic stuff. I've got soft or the real thick. This one's a little more thick and not so pliable. So really, we can just do whatever you like. You get to pick, especially if you come in here into the shop and meet me, and you can I can help you design whatever you like. And then these are just some extra ones. These are some that we do. A lot of the hunters around here like these, and the Border Patrol like these. They are the mossy oak. And so it's nice if you come in person. If you live close enough, definitely
And
come in.
she's in Kerrville, so
Yeah.
hill country. And I'm looking forward to getting a new pair for myself. And if you're coming down on March the 1st, this Saturday, to the tour flag pickup in Banderas, she'll have a table in the main house where we're distributing the tour flags. And check out her great products.
Y'all come. It'll be fun.